Oh, battery. Here, battery. Here is the antifreeze. Getting antifreeze, right? There's so many antifreeze here in the auto parts. Auto care, I mean auto care. Okay, auto care. Tire, batteries, oil. Out sporting goods right there. In bike shop right over here. Auto care, rollback. There's so many oil over there. Auto care. Nice. Getting the antifreeze. Getting antifreeze. Motor oil, power sport batteries, spark plugs. I don't know what is this for. Wheel brush. Oh, it's a wheel brush. I get this for the wheel. Okay. Here is the tire centers. Auto sound tires. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.